Pakistan is a responsible country which desires peace with honor, said the Air Chief while addressing a ceremony at Air Headquarters to commemorate the 7th anniversary of Operation Swift Retort. Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmed Babar Sidhu, Chief of the Air Staff, Pakistan Air Force, further said that 7 years ago, the aggressor challenged sovereignty of Pakistan and gravely miscalculated our resolve and capability, as always based on their narrative of falsehood. He added that the enemy, oblivious of our firm resolve, spirit of sacrifice and unparalleled resilience, attacked in a cowardly manner in the darkness of night. The Air Chief further said that with a measured and well-calibrated broad daylight response, we re-established our deterrence against a numerically greater enemy. Chief of the Air Staff highlighted that in the light of challenges arising from complex global and regional environment, as well as rapidly changing character of warfare, PAF, despite fiscal constraints, embarked upon a comprehensive modernization and indigenization journey starting in March 2021. And vigorously pursued the same for transitioning PAF into next-generation Air Force. The Air Chief underscored that the Pakistan Air Force swiftly recalibrated its operational doctrine to meet the dictates of modern warfare, rapidly inducting and operationalizing cutting-edge combat and combat support capabilities, alongside niche technologies in shortest possible time. He added that PAF in record time evolved a unique homegrown kill chain through employment of indigenously developed unmanned systems, electronic warfare, space and cyber assets, resulting in consolidation of coherent multi-domain operational capabilities. Highlighting the calibrated response of PAF during Marka-e-Haq, the Air Chief said, "When the aggressor once again challenged our sovereignty in the wee hours of May 2025, our response was far more astonishing than what the enemy had expected." He further said that for the first time in history, PAF conducted full-spectrum multi-domain operations that were excellently choreographed and flawlessly executed, decisively overpowering the adversary and bringing down some of its most advanced platforms, including multiple Rafale jets, Su-30 MKI, Mirage 2000, MiG-29, and unmanned aerial system. He highlighted that PAF also struck bases and ground assets deep into the enemy's territory, besides neutralizing state-of-the-art S-400 air defense systems and their command and control center. In the end, Chief of the Air Staff reiterated that Pakistan Air Force would live up to the expectations of its brave and resilient people and would always remain a symbol of pride for this great nation. Pakistan Air Force, along with the nation, commemorated the 7th anniversary of Operation Swift Retort, a landmark demonstration of resolve, professionalism, and calibrated response in modern air warfare. On this day, the valiant air warriors of PAF renewed their unwavering commitment to safeguarding Pakistan's sovereignty and ensuring a robust and credible aerial defense of the motherland. Operation Swift Retort remains a symbol of national unity, professional excellence, and credible deterrence. The synergy between the armed forces of Pakistan and the resilient nation continues to serve as the cornerstone of Pakistan's commitment to peace, stability, and a vigilant yet responsible defense posture.